In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tracker Network. This app is a great tool for tracking your gaming stats and improving your skills. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you need to open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android device, this will be the Google Play Store. You can find the App Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Opening the App Store is essential because it is where all the applications you can install are located. Take a moment to locate the icon and tap on it. This will take you to a world of apps designed to enhance your device's functionality. Once you have the App Store open, it's time to search for the Tracker Network app. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Tracker Network or simply TRN. Make sure to spell it correctly, as this will help you find the official app quickly. This step is important because searching for the right app ensures that you download the correct one. You don't want to accidentally install a similar app that doesn't have the features you need. After you enter the search terms, you will see a list of apps. Look for the official Tracker Network app in the results. The app should be clearly labeled with the name Tracker Network. Additionally, check that the developer listed is also Tracker Network. This verification process is crucial for ensuring that you are downloading the authentic application and not an imitation. This small step can save you from potential issues down the line. Next, you will need to install the app. On an Android device, tap the Install button. If you're using an iPhone, tap the Get button. This action will initiate the download and installation process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your device. You will see an icon appear on your home screen, indicating that the installation was successful. Now that the app is installed, it's time to open it. Find the Tracker Network icon on your home screen and tap on it. This will launch the app. Opening the app is an exciting moment because you are now one step closer to tracking your gaming stats. You might see a welcome screen or some initial prompts. Don't worry, this is normal and part of the setup process. Once the app is open, you will need to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Tracker Network account, log in using your credentials. Simply enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account yet, tap on the Sign Up option to create a free account. This step is significant because having an account allows you to save your stats and track your progress over time. It's a key element of using the app effectively. After signing in or creating your account, it's time to search for your gaming profile. Within the app, you will see options for various games. Select your games such as Fortnite, Valorant, Warzone, or Apex Legends. This selection is important because it helps the app tailor its features to the game you are playing. You'll be able to access specific stats and analytics related to your chosen game. Finally, enter your username to view your stats. This will pull up your gaming profile and display your performance metrics. You can now start using the app to track your stats and improve your gameplay. This final step connects all the previous actions and allows you to fully utilize the features of Tracker Network. Enjoy exploring your gaming statistics and enhancing your skills.